This is the GBIF website. As most of you probably know, you can there search for occurrences, filter them by various criteria such as the location, the taxonomy, or the time. You can download the results, and once you're logged in, you can also see a list of your previous downloads history. But what's not currently possible is to be actively informed when newly published occurrence in the system actually match your interest criteria. And we think that's something that can be really useful in a variety of contexts, for example, the management of invasive alien species. And so we have developed a GBIF Alert. GBIF Alert is a web tool that allows you to do exactly that and be actually informed of new occurrence in the GBIF website. It's a web-based tool, but it's not a specific website. It's actually a reusable open source engine that can be configured and deployed at various places on the internet to target specific communities of users and better suit their needs. So what you see now is the GBIF Alert demo page. And all the data here comes from GBIF and is downloaded nightly. You can see that here on the About Data page, the exact criteria that were used, when was the import performed, and so on. And this specific GBIF Alert instance targets a few invasive alien species over North America. You can, on the home page, you can filter per time, per data set, per species, and you can see the observations and the occurrences either as a map, where you can zoom up to the exact occurrence, or as a table. For each observation, you can of course get all the specific details and go back to GBIF. What is also possible is for visitors of this website to actually sign up to our website, and after that they'll be able to sign in onto it, and a few more features and options will appear. You can see, for example, that on the table, observations have a status. Some are considered as seen and other as unseen, which is the exact same logic that you would have in a mailbox with your read and unread messages. And you can see here you can also filter per seen or unseen observations. And something very useful is that you have a new My Alerts page. And if you go there, you can configure a new alert. Let's, for example, call this alerts plants in Mexico. I select the species I want to target. Here, all the plants in the system. The location would be the country of Mexico. I could also filter per dataset, and I can say I want to receive a daily email about those observations. Create an alert, and now I have a new alert page that looks very similar to the home page, but that shows already filtered data to target only plants in Mexico. And now I will receive every day a new email concerning new observations of plants in Mexico that appear in the GBIF network. The email looks like this. You have basically a sample of new observations, which is a table. You have the details about the alert. You can see the title, plants in Mexico, here, and you have obviously a link that brings you back to this page. That's the core feature of the system. I can talk about a few more things. The user interface is currently translated in French and English. Other languages will be added soon, Dutch for sure. The registered users can also have another page and can upload actually their custom areas if they are not happy about the filtering options per area that were provided by by the website administrator. You can actually add your own here. It's of course an open source project. It's published on GBIF. We provide detailed instructions if you want to install and configure your own GBIF Alert instance. We also provide for that Docker-based workflow that makes things much easier. And in addition to this demo website that you've seen, you have to know that it's already a stable product that's been used in production since a few months. For example, the Life Riparias Early Alert website covers more than 100 invasive species all over Belgium, and has already a lot of users and alerts configured, and is actually based on GBIF Alert. We are very interested in your feedback, comments, suggestions, and please don't hesitate to contact us, for example, via GitHub and via the issues system. It's probably the easiest way. We hope that's something that you judge useful, and thanks for watching.